Darling, now that we're married, I just wanted to let you know something.
What is that, darling? Tell me. You can tell me anything. Anything you want. Anything. Just tell me. I don't mind. I'll help you out, darling. You could spill the beans out. Get it off your chest. Because I got a lot of mind. Not me. Go on, tell me, David.
Well, it wasn't that important, really.
What do you mean? What were you going to say?
Well, I was wondering if I could bring David round tonight.
Oh my God! And I thought you were going to talk to me about having a baby. Because I really want one. Who's got a baby in this building? Everyone's got one in this block. I remember I spoke to Steph yesterday. She told me she got herself pregnant again for the 8th time. She's only 15. I swear to God. What are you going to say about that?
Well, I just wanted to have a drink, darling. I don't know what else to say.
What are you talking about? So you're telling me I'm not going to have a baby? I'm not going to fit in with the rest? I'm not going to get myself council flat? I'm not going to get myself free dentist prescription? I'm not going to get myself free prescription drugs for disease or acid? I'm going to have to pay money for crack cocaine instead? I'm not even eligible to get myself morphine! Morphine, David! Fucking morphine! I need this shit! I need it! Methadone, they call it. The government is free when you got a baby and you got